To change the time format of your Polar Critics Pro, press the lower left button to reach the menu, then press the upper right button to go at the very bottom of that page, and then select Settings with the right button. Then go down to Watch Settings, select it, and finally go down to Time, just right here. When you select that, the first thing you will be asked to input is the time format, so 24-hour or 12-hour mode. So let's select that one, and then you'll be able to select the time, but you can just keep going by pressing 3 times on the right button, and then it's done. You can finally come back to the main page by pressing the lower left button multiple times. And there we are. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.